In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at the F sharp melodic minor scale, which is part of the relative minor for the A major scale. We'll still have three main accidentals, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. But now, since we are playing melodic, we need to remember the 6th and 7th degree is raised, meaning that we'll be playing D sharp and E sharp going up, E sharp enharmonically spelled as F, and when we return, we'll be returning those two to their original pitches. D sharp will be D natural, and E sharp or F will be E natural. Before we get started, subscribe to my channel, check the bell notification, like the video, and leave a comment if you got it right or if you have any questions or problems. Let's sort it out together. Let's get started. We're going to do the right hand first, one octave, starting with my second finger on F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, now E sharp, F sharp. Coming back down, thumb's going to go to E, third over, fourth over. This one's quite tricky with coordination. By far the most difficult one for me personally to play. Left hand, starting with my fourth on F sharp, third over, D sharp, F, 4 over, thumb under to E. Let's do these hands together. Take your time, be patient, it will be worth it. For 2 octaves, we'll be copying those fingers. Right hand first. Left hand. Hands together. As we are doing Hanon, we'll be playing this 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. Of course, at the end of the exercise, we have a cadential progression, which is optional, but necessary to learn a little bit about chord progressions. When we get to the bottom, ending with our second and fourth finger on F sharp, the left hand's going to come up all the way to B. In the right, we're going to have a G sharp, D, and F sharp. Left's going to jump to C sharp. We're going to have A, C sharp, and F sharp. We're going to hop all the way down to C sharp in the left, and we're going to have F, E sharp, F, C sharp, B, and G sharp in the right. right. And finally, we're going to hop all the way back again to F sharp, and we're going to have F sharp, A, C sharp, and F. Big stretch in the right. And that is the F sharp melodic minor scale. Thanks for watching.